How's it going, everyone? So today we're going to talk about how to get rid of athlete's foot with baking soda. So I got this question from a subscriber. We're going to go over it right now. Please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support and it helps my channel grow. Also, click on the notification bell too so you guys get all my newest videos. So let's talk about it. Before we do, what is athlete's foot? What is it? How do you get it? Athlete's foot is a contagious fungal infection caused by trichophyton fungus. That's right, big word to say. I probably butchered that. Whatever. Generally, you get it by having tight shoes with no air ventilation. So if you're one of those guys, really tight shoes, you're a size 9, but you buy a size 8, or your feet grow a lot and you're getting no air ventilation, that is a common reason for athlete's foot. A lot of people playing sports get it. I have gotten before in my life, and I will tell you guys some of the tips that I do. So I get a lot of questions. Will baking soda help to get rid of athlete's foot? Baking soda has an alkaline property that helps to balance the pH levels of your feet. So it will work. Now, why does it work? People are going to be like, well, why does it work? That's nice. It balances the alkaline. Fungus and bacteria cannot live when your alkaline levels are high, you guys. So that's why baking soda works. It does work. It's proven by science, and I've used it myself. It does work. So use baking soda. Trust me on this. It also eliminates foot odor associated with your athlete's foot. So another thing too, you have smelly feet. Baking soda will get rid of the athlete's foot and the smell that comes from the athlete's foot. Another reason for baking soda is that it exfoliates. It's a great exfoliator. It softens the skin and it removes the unsightly calluses and the peeled skin caused by your athlete's foot. So not only does it balance the pH levels, kills the fungus and the bacteria, eliminates the odor, but it acts as an exfoliator. Pretty all around, basically. Baking soda is going to be the basis of this video. Baking soda is probably the best way to get rid of athlete's foot. What I would do is I would try using baking soda before I go out and buying all these expensive athlete's foot medication from the pharmacy. You go to the pharmacy, you start buying all these prescriptions, it's going to cost you a pretty penny. It's going to cost you a lot of money. By doing it like this, most people have baking soda kicking around the house. If you're still living at home with your parents definitely have baking soda. Your mom probably does. Ask her for some, she'll give you some. You guys out there, you're living with girls, they have baking soda, trust me. Ask them, ask your girlfriends, your wives for baking soda, they will have some. Okay, so how do you use the baking soda for your athlete's foot? You guys probably are wondering, how much do I put? What do I do with it? So pour 2 to 3 liters of lukewarm water in a large bucket. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to it. Stir well and wait until the baking soda is dissolved. Put your feet in there for 15 to 20 minutes. Use a scrub brush. So it can be anything. You don't even need a scrub brush. You can just use your hands and scrub and clean your feet and in between your toes where all your athlete's foot is. Wipe your feet with a clean towel and moisturize it with coconut oil or Vaseline. So I never use coconut oil. I didn't try that myself, but people do recommend it. I use Vaseline. That's what I did just because it was much easier. Again, with the brush, you can use a brush. If you don't have a brush, you can just use some paper towel, dip it in and start scrubbing your feet. Very simple, very effective. It does work. We'll leave it at that. Very short video for today, you guys. I keep getting a lot of questions about athlete's foot. People at the gym get them, so they're asking me about that. Thought I'd make a quick video. I use baking soda. I don't believe in going to the pharmacy, buying all these expensive creams and shit for your feet. Baking soda does do the trick. So end of video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it if you're interested in online personal training from me. My email is in the description box. Send me a quick email and we can talk details. Thanks, guys.